The music and the movement coming up on the history of rock and roll.
Red means go to your Honda dealer for red hot days. Got it? Take a devil ride. Get 9.9 APR and 0 down financing. Trade in that old helmet. Pick up a free t-shirt with $5 purchase and see what's hot for $95. So get going, because after April 30th, red means stop. Red hot Hondas are waiting for you at Motorcycles Unlimited in Corte Madera, Redwood City Honda in Redwood City, and Cycle Center of Fremont in Fremont.
A country music legend.
Caroline's an unbelievable performer.
Sings the blues for the girl she abandoned.
I don't know, maybe I'm just going crazy. I just want my baby back so bad.
But when she's haunted by a series of phantom phone calls,
There's no record of these phone calls on my phone bill.
And it definitely wasn't a 10-year-old little girl.
will her comeback be cut short?
What you need is to get off the road, permanently.
Morgan Fairchild guest stars on an all-new Robin
Special day and time, Friday night at 10 on UPN 44. The only